If your 2007 to 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe is having issues not starting, this video may help you. Before you call a tow truck, there are a few specific fuses and relays under the hood that can cause the problem. Let's check them in order. First, pop your hood and locate the main underhood fuse box on the driver's side. Remove the cover. Before checking anything else, turn your key to the on position and look at the dash. Is your check engine light missing? If it's completely dark, your ECM fuse, the engine control module fuse, is blown. Look for fuse number 4, 5, and 56. If the computer has no electricity, it can't tell the starter to engage or give the engine spark and fuel ignition. Next, if your dash lights look normal, but when you turn the key, you hear absolutely nothing, no cranking at all, look for your starter fuse, number 62. This is a 40-amp cartridge fuse. Pull it out. If the metal bar inside is broken or burnt, your starter isn't getting power. You can test it by swapping it temporarily with a matching fuse, like your ABS or cooling fan fuse. Right next to it, check the starter relay. Find an identical, non-essential relay, like the one for your parking lamps, and swap them. If the truck cranks right up, you just found your broken relay. Finally, what if the engine cranks over rapidly, but just won't catch and run? That is usually a fuel delivery issue. Go back to the box and check the fuel pump fuse, which is fuse number 20, a yellow 20-amp mini fuse. Pull it out to check it. If it's blown, you can temporarily swap it with a matching 20-amp fuse, like your cigarette lighter or headlight fuse. To finish, check the fuel pump relay. Use the same trick. Swap it with a matching relay like your AC relay. If the Tahoe fires right up, you just solved the problem for a few bucks.